So my name's Andrew Darnell, work here at the Pleasure Beach. I'm an electrician on site, been here for 33 years, and this is the Pendulum. So there was a group of us, probably about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 6 of us went down just before Christmas to Margate. Margate was selling a couple of rides, so we took advantage of that. So went down, dismantled them, brought them back here, built them back up again. Lots of work to do, lots of groundwork as well, masses of groundwork, lots of foundations and things. So yeah, we were quite clever actually. So we got none of the controls on site, bar the operator's controls. All our electric is hidden behind the scenic here, so it's 440 volts. It's all electronic controls and things like that. If we have any issues with the ride, like most of the modern rides now, we can actually dial in to the Italians who manufacture the rides, and if there's any issues, they can sort of make from their end really. So I think the customers are going to enjoy this ride. It's very fast, lots of G-force I think. Basically the cars spin round and then the whole thing, pendulum swings to start with and then goes right over. And like I say, it's very fast, so I think the younger people are going to enjoy it very much. I think it's going to be quite popular.
Hi, I'm John Colden, the Operations Manager at Great Yarmouth Pleasure Beach. I've worked here for over 40 years and in my current position nearly 18. As Operations Manager, I have a crew of about 15 maintenance work beneath me, and overall I take responsibility for health and safety on the Pleasure Beach, including all the ride operators and seasonal staff that we employ to operate the rides. We recently made a new purchase for the Pleasure Beach for the 2022 season, which is a Pendulum manufactured by Zamperla and Soriani in Italy. We recently had to go and dismantle it, which a crew of our maintenance team went from here at Great Yarmouth down to Margate, and took them approximately a week to dismantle and load onto trailers, bring back to the Pleasure Beach for us to erect here. For the Pendulum ride to be erected at Great Yarmouth Pleasure Beach, we needed a considerable amount of groundworks to be done, which included 4 big concrete pads for it to stand on its posts, and also a big base to put down where the plant room was for the electrical and the pneumatic installation of the ride. We commissioned a company, ACOT Paving, and Ashley and his men done a first-class job on setting out the base and getting it all ready for us before we could put the ride together. Once we were all ready to build the ride up, we had to take on the expertise of AW Plant Services with 2 cranes, a 40-tonner and a 50-tonner, in order to lift the main parts of the structure into place, while the Pleasure Beach maintenance staff built up and put all the bolted joints together with the use of a cherry picker. During this time, it was over 2 days that we had the cranes on site. Today, with the ride being operational, we've managed to do a few test runs on it. Some of our staff have rid on it, and on all accounts, it's very much a high thrill seekers ride, which I'm sure is going to be very, very popular for us here at the Pleasure Beach.